Hi guys, it's me Asil. Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be doing the disappearing glass trick. For this trick you will need a glass, a coin and a paper. Okay. So guys, now we are going to be doing the magic trick. So I'm going to do it like this. Then I'm going to cover it like this. Guys, look at the coin. And the glass is gone and the coin's there. Ta-da! So now I will show you how to do this magic trick. So we are going to take the glass and we are going to put it like this on the coin. Then we are going to cover it. Then we are going to make the coin like for them to look, so they won't look at the glass and the covered paper. Then you are going to put the paper on the glass on your lap. Then we are going to do like this and the glass is gone. That's how the trick is. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and you can make this trick with your parents, and this is an amazing magic trick. And also don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. Bye, see you next time.